All right. Time for my 2 cents.
Okay, so as you can see, it's chicken coop tire repair day, and I am just so fed up of changing or putting inner tubes or fixing tires or changing tires on any of my stuff that I'm going with a method that I wanted to try a while ago. Fear not, this vehicle will not be going on the road. It's my chicken coop. Also want to put the water tank on today, hopefully. I got a door repair to do. That door got swinging in the wind and got damaged. And same thing on this side. So as you can see, got it up on blocks. Tires have no weight on them, luckily, and they have no air. The next step will be to literally drill holes, and final step will be to fill it with this stuff. I have been wanting to try this for the longest time. This wheel is actually pretty good. It seems to be holding air pretty good. So 3 wheels, 3 holes, and now I'm just gonna fill it up with this stuff. This, I know, not roadworthy, probably gonna wreck the rims, etc. I don't care. Not recommended for road use, I'll say it again. One thing that's a little annoying is I can't see what I'm doing. Maybe applying it on the side like this will help it drop down. Alright, so here we are a day later. As you can see, not impressed. This is the one that was still okay. Doing pretty good. This is the one after a can and a half. Was it a can and a half? 2 cans. And it either is crushed or I missed a spot. The final test is going to be when it rolls, but now everybody knows. Similar story on this side. Oh well, now we know. That was fun. On another note, the hens are in. Hello ladies, how we doing? Now I'm being brave, leaving the door open, but I don't think they're gonna move. They've been stationary for a while, but eventually they'll have these fence posts to close them in around the coop. A couple of years we've had them free range and they got picked off by hawks and foxes gradually. So we're gonna try a smaller enclosure. Let them get used to that. Numero uno and numero sausage dog. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Our new members came with this thing. Keep your birds safe.